Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to activate Windows 10 Pro with CMD. Alright, so let's begin. Whether you're setting up a new computer or upgrading your system, activating Windows is an essential step. Using CMD can be a simple and effective method if you follow the instructions carefully, allowing you to enter your product key and authenticate Windows so it's fully ready for use. To begin, press the Windows key on your keyboard to open the Start menu. In the search bar, type CMD and you'll see Command Prompt appear in the results. It's very important to run Command Prompt as an administrator because activating Windows requires system-level permissions. Next, right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Once Command Prompt opens with administrative privileges, you're ready to enter the required commands. In the command prompt window, type slmgr /IPK followed by your Windows 10 Pro product key. This command installs the product key into your system. Make sure you enter the key correctly, as even a small typo can cause activation to fail. After typing the full command and product key, press enter. Once that's done, type slmgr /ATO and press enter again. This command tells Windows to attempt activation using the product key you just entered. The system will take a few moments to process the request. If everything is entered correctly, you should see a confirmation message stating that Windows has been successfully activated. If you run into any issues, double check your product key for errors and try again, as most problems occur due to incorrect or incomplete entries. And that's it. So that's basically how you can activate Windows 10 Pro with CMD. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.